Okay, let's take a look at something neat here. Now I have to preface this by saying that I wear glasses. Me being the lazy SOB that I am, I used to wear contacts, but I don't like putting them in the morning, so this is not an issue for me. Now it is an issue for some people. I used to grind down glasses and fit people's glasses for like 15 years when I was younger. Worked in an optical store, so this may not work depending on what you're wearing as far as glasses. I mean, if you're wearing, some Coke bottles to speak of it humorously, this may not be the best idea for you, but I've actually found that few people from my research have had any issue with the extended eye cup. Now, I've actually mounted this on the Fuji X-T1. You cannot mount it on the X-T10. This is easily removable, just like a Nikon. However, it does fit a lot harder. So far as losing one of these, it is a whole lot harder, the amount of pressure that it takes. But this is the Fuji X-T1 long eye cup, and the model is EC-XTL, and you can see it here. One of the great advantages that this has is if you have sunlight coming in over here, down here, it actually blocks it out, keeps out the spurious light, so you have a better view of the viewfinder. This is the actual default eye cup that comes with it. Oddly enough, I could not find, now this is $12. I actually got it from B&H Photo. You can find them on eBay, I think, for similar prices. They were out of stock everywhere for a very long time. This is the actual factory default eye cup, but these I've not found for sale anywhere as replacements in case I were to lose one. I always love to keep spare eye cups because I typically lose them because this rubs up against my shirt when I'm out shooting, and it'll get lost in the dirt somewhere. The Nikon D70-100 and D750 are a bit infamous for that, so you got to be careful. But you can see the actual difference between those two. But I was actually concerned that since it stuck out an additional about 12 millimeters or so, that I would have issues, since especially that I wear glasses, that I would be blocking off full view, keeping my eye at a decent distance and looking through the viewfinder. But that has not been the case. Not had that issue at all. One of the additional benefits of this, it's the same reason why I use a magnifying eyepiece on my Nikon D810s and D3s, is it actually brings your face away more from the back of the camera, and without that, the closer you bring your face, you're kind of crooking your nose against the back of the camera. It isn't really an issue when you're out shooting all day, smushing your nose cockeyed against the back of your camera, whether it's a Nikon or a Fuji, is not the most comfortable thing to do for many hours. I even remember my nose shot so much one day, my nose was aching at the end of the day. I think that was on my D3 before I switched to the magnifying viewfinder. But anyway, that's it. It's $12. It's a Fuji X-T1, the long eye cup. I strongly recommend getting it. You could have an issue with it. I can't imagine any person without eyeglasses having an issue with this, and they would love this. And I've only heard of a small percentage of people that do wear glasses that seem to have an issue with it, but I certainly don't. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye.